I seriously don't know why it's taking me 10 takes to shoot this introduction. On a man. What's up everybody, I go by Namsi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe I'm actually saying that because it has taken me 7 years to come to this point where I am finally filming a video. And mind you, this is not my first attempt at filming a video. I filmed a video September 2019 with my sister, never made it out. I filmed a video last month, never made it out. And I'm finally at a point where I know I need to do this now. So I have been a huge consumer of YouTube for at least a decade. I have been watching YouTube for 10 years, guys, at least. Probably longer, to be honest, because I remember when Jackie I Know used to be Lil Pumpkin Pie 05, Patricia Bright used to be Britpop Princess back in the day, Jenny Jenkins, of course, we all know, was Beauty by JJ, Tiara Monet was called, what was she called? Tease Black Pearl. Yes, and the list goes on. There's so many people I have seen come on and off this platform that I think are amazing, should still be here. But anyway, we're here to talk about me. If you don't know me, I go by Namsi. I have two businesses, the Namsi Collection. Namsi Collection is a custom luxury wig making line. Floral Glam is a paper flower business, and we have also added to our roster balloon artistry. So yes, I will also be showing you videos on how to make some easy DIY balloon setups, backdrops, garlands, columns, you mentioned it. I'll also be doing some paper flower tutorials, doing some hair care videos and tutorials on how I style my hair and things like that. We're gonna get into all that juice. Apart from being a creative, I also would like to do chit chats. You know, I love conversations. I love to talk to people and just vibe, feel your energy, you know, give some wisdom out there and learn something from people. I'm not an orator in any way. I can't host like seminar stuff, but on a more intimate level, I really enjoy sharing wisdom with people and motivating and pushing people, and a lot of my friends know that low-key. So it's something I would love to do, but at the same time, I would love to do that with other people, like my friends, family. So I am most likely going to be bringing other people to this platform to sit down and we will chit chat about topics and just have a real chill, casual time with that. YouTube was one of those things that got me really nervous. I'm not even going to lie. Considering the fact that, you know, I'm always up for a challenge, YouTube was ready for me. I was so scared because I'm like, how can I be joining YouTube at 30 years old? 30! But it's great to be, you know, a representation of that demographic that is missing on this platform. A little PSA, sometimes I might speak clean, sometimes I might have an African accent. A lot of times, girl go switch, go be pidgin, Mona no vex, okay? So now, you know, this YouTube thing, man, there are some things that you have to say so that people can, if you don't say it, like channels go pop, you don't go pop. So let me just be saying it. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification so you're the first to know when your girl has new content for you. Go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm gonna have them either in the description box or on the screen. Follow me, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you found me from my Instagram, if you're here from my Facebook, if you're my family, if you're my friend, if you're my loved one, if you came here by accident. Anyone, just go ahead and comment. Yo, I'm super excited. I'm using this as an opportunity to tell everyone to go and do one thing that you've been wanting to do but you've been afraid to do. This is the time. You only live once, okay? Please, this is a very positive zone. We will not be tolerating negativity by any chance. We would not be exchanging negativity with anyone. You will just be eliminated from the tribe and we will move on without you to greater things. With that being said, it's a wrap, guys, and I'll see you in my next video, okay? I'm saying already like 5 times. Gosh, I'm nervous. I feel like I'm talking fast. Well, anyone I give now, when I go take a more. Sorry. I'm literally waiting for a plane to fly over me. Oh gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Aren't planes supposed to fly fast? Come on, make it cameo.
Where?
Right there. It's not life now.
Okay, hold on.
Very dead kiss.
Air kiss.
Dead kiss. You prefer to do the kiss well in the other room, abi?
That other
The other room.